hiking with the dogs. Jessie and Zach. She gets around. She's 12. She still hops and jumps. There's Zachy way over there. River's ripping today, the 15th of April. Come on, Jess, up! Come on, baby! Come here! Come on! Come on, up! Yay! Good girl. We gonna find the birds? Okay, let's go. Zachy, come on, bud. Let's go find them. Let's go find them. Jessie's 10 and a half. Jessie's 12 and a half. Zach is 10, almost 11. No, he's 10. February. There they go, my kids.